The title of this book is One Tree. Now, this is kind of a special book because it's made from 98% recycled materials, which is nice because it saves trees like the one we're reading about today. This book was written by Leslie Bacall and it was illustrated by Jillian Phillips. One tree grows in the meadow. Its branches stretch tall and wide. In springtime, it grows many new buds. Flowers grow from buds on the tree. Bees gather pollen from the flowers for food. Birds build nests in the tree's branches, and they lay eggs there. Soon, baby birds hatch. In the summer, the tree grows big green leaves. Bugs eat some of the leaves. Butterflies lay tiny eggs on the leaves, and the eggs hatch into caterpillars. The newborn caterpillars eat the leaves. When the caterpillars are finished growing, they make chrysalises and turn into new butterflies. A woodpecker pecks at the tree's bark to find insects to eat. A family of squirrels runs along the highest branches. Many berries grow on the tree. Squirrels and birds eat some of the berries. In the autumn, cool breezes blow. The tree's green leaves turn red, orange, and purple. As the weather gets colder, the tree's leaves and berries fall to the ground. In winter, snow covers the tree's bare branches. The fallen berries are buried in the cold, wet earth. When spring comes, warm rains fall. The tree's roots drink the water from the earth. New buds appear. Seeds inside the berries on the ground drink the water too. They sprout. The sprouts grow into saplings. Deer and rabbits nibble some of the saplings. One sapling grows tall. Over many seasons, it becomes a new tree. In springtime, it will grow many new buds. 2 trees grow in the meadow. The end.